This is the inside of the packaging. Cute little thank you card. Ooh, with a glass cleaner, I could use that. Really great packaging. Awesome stuff. I see some, ooh, coral dip. Some more cleaners. Ooh, some putty. Who doesn't need that? Oh, got a nice little vinyl. Camera's probably not going to pick that up too well. Got a Well-Tank Goodness sticker there. Nice little t-shirt. Oh, lots of goodies in here. Some all-natural nori. Some more multi-purpose cleaning solution stuff there. Some coral viewing glasses. Ooh, some Amino Feast. Oh, nice little nano gravelback. I could always use extra of those. Some Roto Feast. This is new for me. Oh, some Coral Feast. Nice. Some more dip. More stickies. Ooh, oh, fun glass stickers. I don't know how she knew, but I'm a freaking sticker fanatic, so this is making me very happy right now. Turkey baster, because everyone in the fish keeping hobby absolutely has to have a turkey baster of some kind. Oh, this is cute. A pair of mermaid-shaped earrings. I don't really wear earrings that much, but they're cute. I'm sure that I can find somewhere for them to be displayed. We also got some Coral magazine. Freaking love these. That makes me happy. Also got the ooh, Reef Hoppies magazine. Also a fun one. Some extra pipettes. Because again, you can never have too many of those. And ooh, piece of acrylic. I usually just use those as a little pointing stick thingy. So yeah, a lot of fun goodies in here. All dry goods, which is fine. Everybody could use these. So thanks, shout out to Well-Tank Goodness. I appreciate it. Glad it was not live animals this time, since USPS was not so great on the packaging. They were not very kind to it at all. But thank you again so much for your kindness and all of the great things you got in there for me. I'll be definitely wearing my pink tee the next meetup I go to, show off. I'm actually here in North Carolina, not in Endicott, New York, where Well-Tank Goodness is. If you're in Endicott or near the area, check them out. Maybe I'll get to visit one day. Thanks. Bye.